You guys, the price on these, you got to check these out. Great deals on these. If you're struggling on what to pick somebody up for the Christmas time, definitely check out these little mini fridges. They do come in handy, and everybody could use 1 or 2 of these around the house, especially when you have a refrigerator. With just 4 people, your fridge fills up like instantly. Temperature gauge here. There's a little light here that you can run or not run. It's real pretty. It's a little ambiance blue. It's super sharp looking at nighttime. The shelves come out of there, can be adjusted. This one here says it'll hold 130 cans, I believe. This one's a 3.2 cubic feet. It's the stainless steel, but they have the black one available. They have smaller ones too, different sizes. If you want to click the cart down below, they are going to come in handy for the office, camping. We've used ours camping, the basement, the garage, or you can put food in there too. Click that cart and free shipping.